This is how to fix Wi-Fi is not showing in your Windows 10. So let's get into it and fix this error by using three very simple methods. The first thing that you need to do is to simply click on your Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right, and then make sure that you have turned off the airplane mode, as if the airplane mode is on then you will not be able to see your Wi-Fi or any of the Wi-Fi connection that is available for your system. And right after that you have to just make sure that your Wi-Fi mode is turned on. Once you're done, you have to simply restart your system one time, and after restarting your system your problem will be fixed 100%. And the second method is to simply shut down your system for a couple of the minutes and again restart your system, and after turning on your system again your problem will be fixed 100%. Moving to our third and the final solution, you have to simply right click on your Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right and then click on the troubleshoot problem, and this Windows pop-up will open for you and start detecting your problem. Right after that you have to just select here for all network adapters and then click on the next, and now wait for completing this process. After completing this process your problem will be fixed 100%. It is more better to restart your system after completing this process. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And that's how to fix your Wi-Fi not showing problem. And that's all for this video.